guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I bring you entertainment news, I bring you entertainment gossip. If you are someone who likes umgosi, then this is the channel for you guys. Hey bana. So we all thought Usain Buchi and Undu Browns were back together, right? That's what we all thought. Because Sana, they were attending weddings together, they were attending restaurants together. There's even a picture, a very, very similar picture. It's the same picture, not even similar, where Undu Browns posted bebayenza i-shares no Cyan, and also Cyan Butch also posted the same picture, right? So now people are also saying Gucci Cyan is spending time at Ndu Brown's place. They also went to this wedding where Cyan looked so stunning. She was wearing some traditional dress nyana, they were all dancing and cutie. They were even seen by paparazzi. Paparazzi is the people. So one of the people that was there took a picture, and it was a blaring picture to see ukuthi vele picture yokutshontsha, but that person took a picture and then posted it on social media. Ke sana ukuthi hayibo, Cyan Buchi and Undu Browns were seen together at a wedding. And look, girl, she also made a vlog when she was going to that wedding, but yeah, she didn't show Undu Browns. But on the picture that was circulating on social media, they were together, all cutesy and stuff. So the whole country thought, okay, Sana, they are back together, right? Now there's an explosive breakup. I don't know if it's a breakup or yini, but Cyan is denying everything, guys. Usain Buchi is denying ukuthi yena Ndu Browns, they are not back together. Ndu Browns is just an ex that is spreading lies about her. Ndu Browns is just an ex that is trying to trend, so she is using Usain to trend. Usain Buchi released statements and pictures on Instagram. Okay, she also said to Gucci the only thing that is linking them together is the dog. Someone also said to Gucci how they are co-parenting a dog. Sana, ndaba zabantu. So she said, Gutaibo, the only thing that is linking me and Ndu Browns together is the dog. Because Ndu Browns was babysitting my dog, Usho Usayen. Ne? Uti Undu Browns was babysitting her dog because Undu Browns is always at home anyways. So that's what linked them together. But relationship, nope. Otu Sayen, she has a man. And it's not that Black Diamonds guy, as she said it. Sana. Normalize nje ukuthi when you break up with someone, don't badmouth them. Don't badmouth a person when you break up with them. Just have a peaceful breakup. Even if they ask you about that person, just try to speak respectfully, guys. Please. Kodwa ke sana Usain Buchi is denying everything. So I guess we were wrong. Or I don't know, maybe they had a fight and then I don't know. But ke sana the pictures that they were posting on social media, similar pictures, basha shares, sivela, isandla sivela, like maybe we were Tululu, maybe we Delulu. But guess I denied everything. Her and Ndu Browns are not together. The only thing that is linking them is the dog that they are co-parenting together. Usain Butena, she has a man, so she off in the you know. Hayi asazi. Hayi kuningi sana. But guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all I have for you today. Please like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you on my next one. Bye.